Are your kids driving you crazy? Are they bored, full of energy, and is homeschooling just not what it was cracked up to be? Is the pressure of being a parent, teacher, spouse, activities coordinator, disciplinarian all becoming too much and you're just needing a new type of happy hour? Sometimes I wish I just could. Oh, really? I love them to pieces, but sometimes they just make me wanna... So instead of arguing with your kids,
take advantage of our online, interactive, fantastic martial arts classes.
check it out.
Engaging virtual classes. We partner with parents, bringing fun activities and life skills to your home. Free private lessons. Our instructors are so awesome. We guarantee your first belt within 6 weeks. It's time to ride. Remote interactive self-defense education.
You need a fun, active program that will not only keep your kids entertained, but to teach them solid life skills, like building their confidence.
Hi, this is Lyndon and this is my mom and dad. And I'm a little ninja. Do it together, and you guys have to do it because it's super fun. And you guys can train so much. You can get a black belt, and then you can just kick walls down.
Oh, not the walls.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Hi all, just a quick shout out to the team from Focus Martial Arts. Thank you so much for everything that you're doing for us at the moment. The kids are absolutely loving all the activities. Not to mention it's getting me out of my office planning lessons and doing activities with them. During this difficult time, I can't thank you enough for all the help you've done and all the support you've given the kids. They're loving trying all the new and different things. Thanks so much, Focus. We love you.
Hey Focus people, and we are very excited that we can still train at home and not lose progress or lose momentum during these crazy times. So thanks Focus for setting it all up for us.
Focus Martial Arts has done an amazing job at moving to their online training. My daughter is loving every minute of it, loving getting in there as much as she can. Definitely recommend Focus to anyone at home wanting to give their kids something different to engage in. The trainers are really fun and inclusive. Couldn't recommend them any higher.
Look at me, look at me, look at me, boy, look at me.